This video shows how to buy shares of Franklin Wireless Corp, a company that makes wireless communication modules and IoT connectivity hardware. Franklin Wireless Corp trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FKWL. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker FKWL to locate the company listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry to find the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for Franklin Wireless Corp to review. Confirm the company name and ticker to be sure you have the correct asset. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, you can place a pending order or the trade will execute when markets open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before it confirms the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills or the pending order is registered. For convenience, the link used in this example is in the video description.